Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited coins in Tango Live. So this works in 2026. So as you can see in the Tango Live, I'm pretty poor, but when I press this button, I can actually get unlimited coins. So I'm press unlock. It's going to add the coins to my account. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, it says like fetching and all this stuff. So I just got to wait for it to load. Alright, so it's like deriving and all this stuff, so just let it finish, guys. So now that it's done, the coins should start rising. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, there go the coins. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device so you can get unlimited coins as well. Alright, so here we go, guys. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So what you need to do is go to your browser, and all you have to do is type in tweakmod.com. So just go in the search bar and type Tango Live, press install, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's completely for free from official app store, and then the Tango Live mod should be installed. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. Alright, so you can see the Apple and Android logo, so it does work on both. So I'm just going to let it load here, as you can see. So basically at the end, guys, we're just going to have to do this verification where we download like 2 of these apps. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it says missing files, so just pick 2 of them. So we got Travel Town. This one's like reach level 9. So I just press continue, go to the App Store, play it till I'm level 9. So just do a couple of these, you're going to be good to go. So that's how to get it for your device. So yeah, just download this one and go back to the list, and we got match to win. It says reach level 11. I mean, this is a video to watch, you're really confused, but that's how to get unlimited coins in Tango Live, guys, 2026. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you later. But yeah, subscribe. This is super cool, guys. As you can see, unlimited coins. So yeah, this is super awesome. So I'm gonna see you guys in another one, but yeah, be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos about Tango Live free coins, because this is the best method to actually get free coins on Tango Live, guys. Like, I've tested every method. So yeah, just make sure you download 2 of these. You got the video there. So this is super cool, guys. So that's how to get unlimited coins in Tango Live 2026. So be sure to try it out. I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. And yeah, as long as you download like 2 of those apps, should be all good to go. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to like tell your friends about it. This is super amazing, guys, and it's ready for you. So yeah, peace out.